Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chris Enlighten. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to others too. Make sure you turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I release a new video like this. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching on how to make money just by watching video online. So what you're gonna do is to go to your Play Store. I'm going to be dropping the link of this app on the description box of this video. Make sure you use the link to register so that you can get your bonus. So this Play Store, for those of us using Android phone, you type money box, or you can use the link shared on this video so that it will lead you direct, so that you will not do any mistake. To lead you direct to the website, to the app. So this is how it looks like. Money box. Yeah. When you download the app, it will take you through a signing up process, which will require your email, your phone number, and your name for a better identification. So what you do is, this is how it is. This is how the app looks like. You can use your coin to play games to get more coins. You can use it to spin. You can use it to do other things to get more coin. So what we'll do now is you go to this side, you tap here. When you type it, it will bring something like this. You tap earnings, you type earnings here. Look at the coin I'm having 39 coins. Look at what it has for us here. Watch and earn. Just by watching video, we earn coin. So don't be in a rush to just go and download this app and start doing it. Wait so that you get the full narrative for this video in order for you to earn more coin and get your money quickly. So you wanna watch this video, Sabino's listings to advice.
70 years old man. I remember my CGP, what I run away, man. 70 years old man.
Continue.
Boss, I don't know.
Okay.
Bola, I hear you now. I hear Cabas for you. I hear you now. I mean the buffalo you. I mean I the buffalo me, brother. I've been greeting you now. At least answer, bros. So, bros, I beg I define Pottery Road number 37. Baba, you go mind the number where you choose. Oh, I beg. I use to beg you. For Pottery Road around inside, but the number where you choose, I beg. Who be this person? Now they tell you so now. Mr. Man, I'm looking for my girlfriend. In the stay number 37. Just direct me. I don't come this place before, but you don't take. I just make I just come around, come shock her. She don't know how they come. Unless on a normal day, she will direct me. What you go carry me come meet you? You want to shock your girlfriend? You want to surprise her? Yes, sir. Correct. Where you from? I come from Port Harcourt, inside. You don't say what comes inside. Okay, where you there, so? I come on. You want surprise person for your
to be long. So what you do, look at offers. Look at offers. you get 15 coins. Visit to endpoints, you get 15 coins when you visit this. Look at it, look at the countdown. Look at the countdown. We've gotten our 15 coin just under how many seconds? We've gotten our 15 coins. So we want to get 45 coins, or let's say okay, here is requiring of post a positive review. You just need to post a positive review here to gain more coin. Do you get? You just need to post a positive review to gain more coin. So these are work you can do under 15 minutes, 30 minutes per day. Calculate it. At the end of the month, you have a lot of money. You have a lot of money to cash out from this app. You have a whole lot of money you cash out from this app. So this is how it is. I don't want to comment now. Visit to end points. Let's check this one just to visit to end this point. 20 coins. It's counting down. Let's wait for it so that you see it. Remember, on my dashboard I only have 49 coin, so we'll check it. Let's see if truly the coin add to my dashboard. So let's check it. Just have to go back. Look at it. 83 coin, 83 coin, 83 coin. So that's how it is. So now what's the problem? The whole coin we are getting from this app, how can we cash it out? How can we make it as money? So what you do is to come back here, click on get items. This side, we want to get items. This is how it is. So now look at it. Redeem history. We don't have any history here. We have not redeemed anything yet because I just opened this app for this tutorial. So how can you redeem your coin? You can simply redeem your coin by cash. You can redeem your coin as MTN airtime, Airtel airtime, 9 mobile airtime, and Glow airtime. And you can also use BTC. Some of us that have BTC. So now look at how it is. In order to get 2k withdrawal, you need to have at least 26,000 coins, which is achievable in a week. Very, 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 very achievable in a week as cash. Now let's move to MTN. Look at it. If you want to get 1 gigabyte of data, it requires 8,000 coins. You see, this is how it is. If you want to get MTN data recharge of 2.5 gigabytes. It requires 10,500 coins. So this is how it is. Very, very, very easy. If you want to withdraw as BTC, that is Bitcoin, you need at least 65,000 coins worth of $5. So if you have sufficient balance now, what you do is to just check on this. Look at it, it's telling us insufficient funds. When you check on it, it will ask for your details that you be paid, that you get the money that you be paid to. You see, so that is how it is. Very, very easy. Very, very, very easy. 2,000 naira transfer. You see, just get your money, 1,000, 3,000. You see, that's how this app works. And you can also earn by inviting others to this app. You just need to copy this link. Just copy it, paste it on your Facebook page, your TikTok, paste it on your WhatsApp status. People will definitely click on it, and they want to check, they want to earn too. So that is just how to earn from it. Within a week, you see you cash out more than 20,000 naira if you are consistent on this app. Please, if you find this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to drop updates like this which will help you. So thank you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.